How to cancel Filmmaker Pro subscription. First of all, open the Play Store on your device. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and go to Payments and Subscription. Select Subscription from the list, then find and tap on Filmmaker Pro. Tap Cancel Subscription and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. Make sure to read any prompts or messages about your remaining subscription period. After cancellation, your premium access will continue until the end of the current billing cycle, but you will not be charged for the next period. You can always resubscribe later if you want to regain premium features like removing watermarks, adding premium effects, and exporting high-resolution videos. Now you know how to cancel Filmmaker Pro subscription. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.